weeks ago I was filming on Tuzgulu because all the flamingos died because it was way too dry. This week there was a raging fire going on in Antalya and all around in Turkey. And now I found this beach. I'm in the north of Turkey, and here I found this beach that is filled with plastic. That if we want to clean it up, takes a lot of manpower. And maybe even a boat. This is also not the first beach that I see like this. All the plastic did not come here by people that wanted to have a nice beach day. No, this plastic came here from people far away that just throw something into the sea without thinking where it ever will end up. Well, I need to tell you, it will end up here, in a place like this. How can I make it more obvious to people to stop throwing their garbage into nature? Don't they see that there is something wrong with nature? With all these dying flamingos and these wildfires, beaches filled with plastic, and I'm still only talking about Turkey. Look up what's happening all over the world. This plastic is affecting all the natural habitats of not only the animals but also the plants. It's polluting all the water. So how can you expect that nature be healthy? So now I was talking with Mina and Joe from Wild Viking Travels, and we agree to work together to do something about this beach because this is so terrible.
Yeah, Bram said that he had it planned and there's so much trash that it's just hard to take it on all by yourself. So we're gonna try to join our forces, see how much of the trash can we get out of there.
We're now gonna start cleaning. I'm gonna do our best to clean as much as possible. We are still with only 3 people and there is a lot of trash. We're just gonna do our best. And that's all we can do, right? We're now already cleaning up for 2 hours, roughly like that. And I want to show you guys the progress because it's more than I thought it would be. When we took away the big pieces of plastic, it revealed a whole new world of all small and microplastics. And now we are trying to figure out how to get those out of there. But we're still doing our best. The beach still doesn't look clean at all, but I think we have roughly around 30 bags filled now.
We filled up so many bags and it's a dump. It's exactly the same.
So hot down here.
This is the result of us 3 working for roughly 4 hours straight. We're now finishing up and bringing up all the bags to the top to then pick them up with our vans. It's pretty far from perfect, but we did our best. And we worked now for almost 5 or 6 hours. So Joe and Mina have 12 bags, really nice. But in my car, come have a look. My van Steph is completely filled to the top. There are around 40 bags of garbage in here. And I'm really happy because that means that all the bags we collected, we can take away with us. We don't need to leave any bags that we collected behind. It's pretty emotional to see my house filled with garbage. Let's find a place to trash it. I feel great doing this. This is the biggest cleaning action I ever did in my life, and it's not the last one. So let's go, shall we? Okay, this one is full. Let's continue to the next one. All the bags are gone. Finally, I filled up a lot of garbage bins. I really want to thank Joe and Mina for working together with me today to clean up the beach. I forgot to mention earlier, but they're also traveling in a van through Turkey. And that's how I met them. Pretty awesome people, and they're making awesome videos as well for YouTube. So go over to Wild Viking Travels and check out their content. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. And if you did, please share this video with everybody, because this message that I try to spread with this video is pretty important. So please put it out there and show it to everybody. Also give it a thumbs up and leave a comment if you want. But for now, I'm really tired of the work that we did today. So I'm gonna take one more swim with the sundowner in the Black Sea. And then I'm gonna sleep early tonight. I hope you'll always see the light of stars, follow your dreams, and until next time, ciao!